911, what is your emergency?
There's a man outside in the park, so Jimi Hendrix Park. I think he's shooting. I can see him shoot through my window. He has a gun in his hand. He has a red hat on, black pants, black jacket.
Just fire the shot. Same too, he's fine.
What is your emergency?
My friend just got shot. Me and my friend just got shot. I don't know where we are. We just got shot like 3 times.
Gotcha.
I can't even hear my
do you know, like across street or where you're at?
No, I don't know where I am. My friend is dying. She got shot in the face. Please come. Please come.
I'm getting the medics on the line. One moment.
She's dying. She's dying.
I understand. I heard you.
Please come. She's dying.
Seattle Fire and Medic 1.
Bro, my friend is dying. We just got shot like 3 times. Please send paramedics right now.
You just got shot 3 times?
3 times.
Where are you at?
Hey, Fire, this is radio. I've got a rapid SOS location of 2300 South Massachusetts.
I don't have the location. Tell me this.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. 2300 South Massachusetts?
Come here, please.
Okay, ma'am. I need you to answer my questions. What's going on there?
They're shooting. Come now, please. We just got shot. I'm going to die. We're going to die.
How many people have been shot?
2. Please come now. My friend is dying.
He's right here. He's coming down. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Put your hands up and drop the gun, Seattle Police! Drop the gun now! Drop the gun! Shots fired. Hey, I got the radio. Suspect down. Drop the gun now! Drop the gun!